In today's video, we're going to be wrapping the car. This is basically how the other side looks, and just like that, you see the clear coats coming off. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it just for now. I really don't know how far I'm going to take this E34. Maybe I will take it kind of far eventually, but I'm just doing things slowly because I do have other builds as well and other things I'm doing in my personal life. So stay tuned, guys. I mean, anything that is made on these videos, it's going to go back to the vehicles and the builds. So anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and enjoy the content. All right, guys, so in today's video, I'm just going to be claying it. This is a clay towel. Everything that I use is in the description box below. Make sure that you keep your surface wet while you're claying. I'm just doing this so that I can get the wrap to stick. This video is not so much about saving the paint, making the car somewhat presentable. I like driving it the way you see it is how I actually drive it around, and I do get some funny looks sometimes. Not a lot, but you know, people will sometimes look because the car does have messed up paint. So basically the clear coat's gone, and then the actual paint from the car is going, as you can see on the hood. But let's go ahead and see what the final result is. I'm just giving it a quick pass with the clay towel. That way we could get a smooth surface and good adhesion with the wrap. All right, so I got this one from Amazon, and the wrap, it somewhat resembles the color, as you can see. So like I said, this is just a test panel for me. I want to go ahead and test out this wrap. Now, I'm not a professional wrapper, but it's a little far away from the original color, but I mean, something is better than nothing. Claying it. This is a clay towel. I'll add these. Everything that I use is in the description box below. Make sure that you keep your surface wet while you're claying. All right, we got our piece, guys. So let's go ahead and get the backing off. And this one for sure, I want to go ahead and place it not as close to the edge, but somewhat near the edge, like this. The good thing is this you could kind of mess with it like that. Just kind of fix up these. All right, we got our piece, guys. So let's go ahead and get the backing off and pray that it works out. So I do want to mention it does have like a thick backing, and this one for sure, I want to go ahead and place it not as close to the edge, but somewhat near the edge, like this, I guess. Yeah, hold it right there. Yeah. The good thing is this you could kind of mess with it like that. Recording. Okay, so now all we got to do is just kind of fix up these bubbles, and so I'm gonna work my way back in a way. But yeah, this is gonna be something else because honestly, I've never worked on big pieces before. So this is the first time I'm working with bigger pieces like this. I've never worked with big pieces before. Like I said, first time, and there's first time for everything. It's a learning curve here. All right, guys, so right now I'm just kind of trying to get everything aligned perfectly here. Now, mind you, this is the first time I wrap a big piece. So far, so good. And you know, the cool thing, I do want to mention that this wrap is very forgiving, especially if I'm new at this. I haven't used any heat yet, so I'm not going to use any heat yet, for the reason being that I just want it to sit well. I want it to sit properly. That's the whole thing here. So I want it to sit properly. I don't want it to have air bubbles. So far, so good. So, and if I can do this, I'll definitely buy some more wrap. Like I said, I just wanted to try this out, and I was just curious to see if I can actually wrap a vehicle. I've done side view mirrors, but you know, that's a small piece. That's nothing compared to something like this. Like I said, this material is actually very, very forgiving. Okay, so here I have my son here. He's helping me out. Pretty handy with a lot of things, and he's that type of person that likes doing like a lot of electronic stuff. I do get him one side of his comfort zone once in a while. And right now that's what we're doing right here. Alright guys, so now we're just going to go ahead and add the heat, and I'm just going to go ahead very gently add some heat to it. And the wrap is basically on here as best as possible. Getting this done, it's just about making sure that everything is nice and tight here. So here's the final result, and it looks pretty good. I like it. I didn't do a perfect job, but better than what I expected. So this is the wrap on the E34. As you can see it, a lot better than what the hood looked like. So if you do want me to do it the whole car, let me know, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe. Hopefully you guys subscribe. I have many viewers that watch the channel but don't subscribe. So if you do like what is being done, leave a comment down below or any suggestions, and we'll see you guys on the next one.